In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bookmark in a document and then link to it effortlessly. Whether you're crafting an elaborate report or a simple note, bookmarking and linking can streamline navigation for you and your readers, making your document much more user-friendly. Let's start by deciding exactly where you want to place your bookmark. A bookmark is essentially a marker or reference point within your document. You'll want to choose the exact spot where you'd like your link to take readers. A common choice might be the beginning of a new section or paragraph, but it could be anywhere you find useful. Once you've decided, place your cursor precisely where you'd like the link's destination to be. Next, let's insert the bookmark. With your cursor in place, navigate to the Insert menu at the top of your document editing tool. From the available options, choose Bookmark. When you do this, you'll notice a small blue bookmark icon appearing right where your cursor is. This icon marks the spot as a destination that you'll be able to link to later. It's crucial for establishing a point of reference within your document. Now, let's proceed to create a link to the bookmark you've just set. To begin, highlight the text that you want to transform into a clickable link. This should be text that provides a clear indication of where it will take the reader. After highlighting the appropriate text, navigate back to the Insert menu and select Link. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result by right-clicking on the highlighted text and choosing Link from the context menu. A dialog box will appear, providing you with various options for linking. You'll notice a section labeled Bookmarks within this dialog. Here, you'll see a list of any bookmarks you've created, including the one you just inserted. Simply select your desired bookmark from the list. This action tells the document exactly where to direct readers when they click the link. Finally, click the Apply button to save your choices and activate the link. Now your highlighted text should be a clickable link that transports anyone who clicks on it directly to the bookmarked section of your document. By mastering these steps, you can significantly enhance the navigation and usability of your documents for both yourself and your readers. Whether you're organizing a large body of work or simply ensuring that important points are easy to find, these tools can be invaluable. Thank you for joining me, and happy bookmarking.